everybody, and welcome to our latest episode of Midstream Shorts. Today, I'm going to be talking to you about our Knowledge Hub, the place where we keep all our content, so our Midstream Shorts, our guides, our webinars, articles, and lots of content that you'll find really useful to help you with all your lighting needs. So our Knowledge Hub lives on our website. So if you head to www.midstreamlighting.com, you'll come to our homepage, which looks like this. And along the top in the menu, we have the Knowledge Hub. So if you click that, that will take you straight in there. Along the top, we have our featured and our latest bits of content. So at the top, we've got our product specification guide, which is for our aviation customers. So if you maybe have a tender out for an airport or something like that, this guide is really useful for that. Our photometric guide for airports, which Yuli did a short on a few weeks ago, so hopefully you're familiar with that. But this is the place where you can download that guide if you haven't already. We've also got guides on dirty power for our maritime customers, and we have lots of other things which I'll show you now. So along the bottom is where the majority of the content lives, and there's a couple of ways you can filter to find exactly what you're looking for. So if perhaps you're one of our aviation customers, you can filter and click aviation so that you only see our aviation content. If you're maybe one of our maritime customers, you can do the same and filter by only maritime content, and same for sports. Or if you're one of our partners or someone that works across all the sectors, you don't have to put that filter on. You can have a look at everything. We've also got different types of content which you can filter by. So a couple of the guides I already showed you at the top, but here you can see all the different guides we've got. We've got things from minimizing the impact of vibration on masts to a paper on CCT, how to write the perfect lighting RFQ, lots of different bits of content in here that hopefully you'll find really useful. So please come and have a look. We've also got our shorts, so all the episodes we've recorded you can also find on here. So if you'd like to have a look back at any of them, they're here as well as on our YouTube channel. And we've also got our webinars. Over the last 5 or 6 years, we've done lots of webinars on all different topics across all our different sectors. And again, you can come in here and you can catch up on any of those. We've got some really good topics on there, such as the ICAO standards. What does that really mean? We did a webinar on the maintenance factor for airports as well, which is really useful. We've done some in sports, so lots of content in here for you to have a look at. And we've also got our blogs or articles where we've really focused on answering the questions that we get asked the most. So, for example, we've got one in here called "How much does an airport mobile lighting tower cost?" Something that we get asked for often. And we just wanted to create a place where people can come and they can find the answers to their questions really easily. But have a look. We've got over 150 different articles in here covering all different topics across all the sectors. So I hope you found this Midstream short useful. If you have, please let us know. Drop a like on the video. But if you've got any suggestions for future topics you'd like us to cover, please let us know in the comments, as we'd always like to hear your feedback. And thank you very much, and we'll see you next week.